Think before you act, a guide to wise decision-making. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very important phrase that can help us make better decisions in life. Think before you act. This simple yet powerful advice is not just about understanding English better. It's about applying wisdom in our daily lives. Let's explore what it means and how it can guide us toward more thoughtful actions. Think before you act is a classic piece of advice that emphasizes the importance of careful consideration and planning before taking any action. It suggests that by pausing to reflect on the consequences of our actions, we can avoid making hasty decisions that we might later regret. This phrase teaches us the value of foresight and deliberation in achieving more positive outcomes. Thinking ahead is crucial for several reasons. Prevents mistakes. By considering the possible outcomes, we can avoid decisions that might lead to negative consequences. Promotes better outcomes. Careful planning and consideration can lead to more effective and successful actions. Reduces regret. By making more informed decisions, we're less likely to regret our actions later on. Applying this phrase in our daily lives involves a few practical steps. 1. Pause before deciding. Give yourself a moment to reflect before making any decision. 2. Consider the consequences. Think about the potential outcomes of your actions, both good and bad. 3. Seek advice if needed. Sometimes, getting perspectives from others can help illuminate different aspects of a decision. 4. Make a plan. Once you've thought it through, outline a plan of action that takes into account your reflections and the advice you've received. Personal relationships. Before responding in anger or frustration, think about the impact your words might have. Professional decisions. Consider the long-term effects of career choices or workplace actions before taking a step. Financial planning. Reflect on the potential risks and benefits of financial decisions, like investments or purchases. Think before you act is more than just an English phrase. It's a principle that can lead to more thoughtful, wise, and effective decisions in every aspect of our lives. By embracing this approach, we can minimize regrets and maximize our potential for success. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this discussion helps you make better decisions in the future. Stay thoughtful and see you in the next video.